Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Ashes DIY. I have a Pinterest inspired wall art that I duped. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this simple piece, then stay tuned. I was scrolling Pinterest and ran across this piece and just knew I had to have it. So I went to Michael's and got this deal, three-piece canvas for only $12.99. Disclaimer, I am no artist, but I love trying new things and recreating things that I see. I'm going to start by tracing and designing on the blank canvas the design that I saw on my phone. Once I had it traced, I took an assortment of different acrylic paints and traced the outlines of the colors that I wanted. I will say this, make sure you have the correct paintbrush because I ended up just using some paintbrushes I had around the house, and boy, it took me a while to get these lines crisp. So make sure you have the right material before starting this project. After I got this first coat down, I went ahead and started on the next canvas, and I took this wooden circle just to make some half circles for this next design. One thing I did do different is at the top of it, while drawing the half circles, I went ahead and put a full circle at the top just to make it more unique into what I wanted. I also went ahead and started tracing those lines also with the paint colors. Make sure if you do decide to try this project, take your time. Painting is so therapeutic and such a good space to be in. I found I was really relaxed on this process and just easygoing. Once I was finished with painting the second design, I traced the third design off camera just to save a little bit of time for the video. But then I also went ahead and outlined this one in paint also. Oops, did y'all catch that? Running my mouth on the phone and accidentally dropped some paint outside the line and had to hurry up and try to fix it. Don't be like me. Don't be on the phone. Relax, take your time. It will work out so much better. After the designs dried, I went ahead and added the black lines where they needed to be from the picture on Pinterest. And I did most of it off camera, but you'll see how it turns out in the end. Once this part is finished, it was time to add some command hooks and let's hang. And this is how it turned out. Oh my gosh, this turned out amazing. I surprised myself with this. Let me know what you guys think about it. Like, comment, subscribe if you like these type of videos. And until next time, see you later. Bye.